Hi and welcome. So today we got the day 14 on Advent of Cyber, and the story goes as the following. MacDev, the head of the dev team, sent an alarming emails stating that they're unable to update the best festival company's external web application. Without this update, no one can view the best festival company's plan. The dev team has been using a CI/CD server to automatically push out updates to the server, but the CI/CD server has been compromised. Can you help them get their server back? So basically the CI/CD is continuous integration on continuous delivery, which is basically just automatic build tools that integrate stuff and deliver stuff in the overall development environment. So I highly suggest that you read what is CI/CD and the risk associated with it and so on. The Grinch has put his own CI/CD pipeline in place. He uses bash script and scheduled jobs to automate the process. Let's dive in. Visiting the IP address of this from your browser. Let's do this. What should I do? We'll show the Grinch is waiting for loot, but it's not there. So it is not up yet. I can say that is for sure. So while this is getting up, I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, so the website is up. It's waiting for the loot somewhere else, but it works. Let's just right click and see what we have. And basically we have a PNG image, which is the Grinch. Quite interesting. Oh, there we have it. So basically nothing here to see. It's just a website, and at this stage we can run the Buster scan for the admin page. Okay, so they kind of just tell us to go ahead and visit admin. So I'm going to do that, and they told us to run derp or go Buster, which I kind of did in some of my other videos. But since they can't just tell us to do it, I'm gonna leave this to you to learn derp, debuster, or go Buster. So I'm gonna skip this discovery phase. Looking at the source code, we see something interesting. There's an iframe that refers ls.html page. This page seems suspiciously close to the output from running ls command. So let's just have a look at the source code. And very uninteresting. And this is an iframe. It is an iframe. So that's alright. So the iframe itself contains some text, and it looks like some text files. It's difficult to know what this is all about. So let's see. Connect to the target machine using a browser, SSH. So they're telling us to connect to the machine now. Let's do this. SSH max giddy add, and then the IP address, which I'm gonna copy, paste in, and the password should be password 1. With a capitalized P, password 1. Okay, so we're in on the server now. It seems that it's a bit slow. Let's just see what's rocking. Nope. sudo-l password 1. Sorry, Mesquite did not run sudo on. Alright, so just as good to know. So now we're in. They tell us to navigate to the home, the Grinch script. So let's do that. So home, the Grinch script, and basically just following what they tell us to do. ls command. The content of the loot sh script will give us a clear understanding of the ls HTML file we've located earlier. So let's have a look at that. Let's nano into loot.sh. And it seems that we have a small script, a bash script, where we're listing the file content which is inside the path home, the Grinch, and loot. So if we went to loot and ls that, then basically we could see, let's just see some of those files, if there's anything inside of them. Probably just empty all of them. Yeah, very empty, so 0 bytes. So this is the folder where all the data is from. So that is what the bash script is doing. So now we know that. The code is simple. It runs the ls command and prints out the output to the ls.html file. The Grinch can browse the page from anywhere within the network, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Clever the Grinch, however, there seems to be a problem regarding the permissions of the continuous integration attempt. Mesquite can change the content of the loot sh file. Alright, so change the code in the file to print the content of etc shadow. Okay, so that is not a problem. Let's go one back and go to scripts, and then let's do a full script. So we can see that the loot.sh is being owned, and we can run it too. I can even edit it. So you can see that the permissions is set for the root to read, write, execute, but everyone else can read, write, execute the loot file. So let's go inside loot and then change all this to etc shadow, save, exit, and then we go back to the web page and just update it. I don't know how long this will take. I guess we missed something important. Let's see what that was. We're going to approve for permission commission. The misconfiguration can be leveraged to read the content of the script. Let's have a look at the check sh script using vulnerability. Let's have a look at check sh. Let's do that. So it is nano check sh, and it seems really empty. And so it says yes, within a couple of minutes the admin page will update real code of the check sh. So let's see. So it says etc shadow, and I'm pretty sure that I did something wrong then. So let's just nano loot, and it says list the content of etc shadow into this file. Why is that not really working? Alright, but if we go back to the check file, it is still empty, so we need to read again what we did wrong. So this misconfiguration can be leveraged to read the content of the Grinch's other scripts. Let's have a look at the check sh script. Okay, and it says the script checks extension for my name. Alright, so what is the actual questions? How many pages did you? I guess that would be 1. No. 2 maybe. I'm just guessing. No. So let's start the actual Go Buster now. Go Buster, dear, and you is gonna be. I'm not gonna use dear. I'm gonna use Go Buster and paste it in. Alright, so let's, please. Alright, 10, 10, 54 to 50, 10, 10, 54 to 50. And the word list is going to be user share word list Dear Buster, and then something like directory there, 2.3 medium. And now we're running the code, and we're having varus admin. You know, while this runs, let me just try and guess a few. So 2, 3, because usually this just takes a lot of time. Okay, so 4. So GoBuster is gonna find 4 pages, I assume. So while this is running, it says how many scripts do you see in the Grinch scripts folder. Wasn't it 4? I saw 4. Yes. What are the 5 characters following? So we need to find the password hash. I'm pretty sure we cannot see like that. Nope. So we need to find that, and we also need to find the content of the flag on the Grinch's user's desktop. Alright, so it would seem that we need to... Now this is just running, you know. If you're following the guide, I'm pretty sure you can just, you know, use whatever Dear Buster, GoBuster program and find your other folders. And I'm just gonna cancel it now because I think it's pretty. I kind of guessed it, but I suggest you do it the right way. So let's try and just clear and nano into loot again. I'm just gonna make sure that loot was the file. Yes, it was. So nano loot sh. What if I actually took the file of the one and the present directory? It's called check sh. What if I took that? And now I want the content of that file instead, because I can load any file with this script, because it is running as the root, so I can basically load anything. So I'm just gonna try and get this updated. While this works, I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, so we're back. So of course it's empty. I know it's working, so let's go back to nano again and say oh, cat. You probably noticed already. Let's do the shadow file again. You know, recording, talking, yeah. So we're gonna output all the content of the shadow file, and while that takes a bit in CI/CD, I'm gonna pause the video and get back in. Alright, so we're back and we got the data from the password file. And let's see, the question was what the following 5 characters following after. Okay, so it's $6, $G, so whatever after G in the next 5 characters. $G did it, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess that would be the one. No. 6. Okay, 6 then. I'm gonna take 6 of them and paste in. No. What are the 5 characters following in Pepper's password? Am I? Oh, Pepper's. I'm looking at Max Skitty. I should definitely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's gonna be those. Yeah, sorry for that. And then we need to. What is the content of the flag? All right. So I'm pretty sure with this vulnerability we can run the CI/CD. I don't think we need to do any breaking the hash or guessing the password. We could do that. We could take the hash for pepper or whatever and brute force it, but I think that is another room. What I kind of think we should do is to locate where is the flag, the text file, and I'm not really sure where it is, but we can just, there it is. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this path here instead. If I can copy paste, it would help a lot. And then we're gonna go back to loot and net, no, to scripts and nano into loot, and then basically we're gonna paste in this path and the flag.text, and we're gonna let the script run, and within a minute or two the flag is gonna be in the text area, and basically that's gonna give us the answer I'm pretty sure that we need to fulfill this room. So I'm gonna pause the video just for a second and get back while it's working. And it got updated. This is the flag. I'm gonna copy paste this, go into the no copy paste, thank you, and paste that in, and now we have a correct answer. So basically all of this is just a big introduction to what is going on in the CI/CD continuous integration on this server we have access to. The whole thing is about this file here called loot, and because I can access that and edit it, you know, I can basically run any script I would like as root. So if I wish to, I could brute force the password and get root access and basically own the server in a couple of minutes. Continuous integration, continuous delivery is important things to have for your development environment. However, you need to configure it correctly. So I hope you liked this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like the video if you like to do that, and if you have any questions, just ask below. Bye.